again, ladies and gentlemen, if you can look, you'll notice that propeller is not spinning at all. That engine's still off. Once again, I don't hear anything to you. That engine is not turning. Everything you see him doing right here, ladies and gentlemen, this is what's called power management. This is where you learn how to fly an aircraft. If you lose an engine for some reason, this is exactly what you do. You fly the plane. And you can go, you don't have to panic, you don't have to worry. And Kent is demonstrating beautifully. You can see the propeller just perfectly horizontal right there. All right, keep an eye on this, ladies and gentlemen. Watch as Kent's going to touch down. Liz Garcia out there. Now she's going to hold her hand up. Watch this. Again, look at that. The engine's still off. He's taxiing in. Again, still has not turned that motor on. That propeller's perfectly still. Watch this. Watch this. Liz is going to hold her hand up. And Kent's going to put that spinner right in the palm of her hand. Look at that. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. The engine has not been on since he was at 6,000 feet. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Kent Peach. Did I tell you, is this man a legend in his own mind?